hearts. And they, chorito Vidya Yata, with his smiles full of prema, and by piercing us with the arrows of his loving glances. So he's saying, it's going a little deeper here, he's saying that Chorito Hridaya Prema Hasita Driksara, like we have so many devotees, they have the Kam Gayatri, Pushpa Sara. This is a Bana Sara. Bana is an arrow, so this Sara is also arrow, Driksara, Pushpa Bana. So Bana means arrow, and flower arrows, and this is a Driksara, Sangata. So he's piercing our hearts with what? His love. And how is he expressing his love? Through his hasita. Means his smiling. There's smita, hasita, ati hasita. There's 4 or 5 times of smiling in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Smita is no teeth showing, and hasita is teeth showing. So when Krishna smiles at the gopis, his eyes are full of love, and he's showing his teeth.